Hello everyone, Maron Hussein here. Before you start, I just want to mention something. Uh, Before you start, you should download the resource file. I will leave this file in the last section. I will call it, for example, the project folder. Inside this folder, you will find all the resource, the final render. I will leave all the images here. The reference image that I will use to model the Black Hornet, I will leave it right here. The textures, all the textures will be here, and the 3D model and the reference images. I will put all the reference images inside a tool. It's called Purif. It's very handy and nice tool to use. Let's open the Purif and let's browse the images. As you can see now, I can browse all the images here using this Purif. It will be always active and on top above all the windows. You can use it when you model the Black Hornets, and you can browse the images easily. So as I said, it's very handy and useful tool to download. I will show you how can you download it. Just go ahead to purif.com and then go to the download section. After that, choose your operation system. For me, I will choose Windows. Just scroll down, and here we have the pricing. You can pay for them if you can. If you don't, you can go to the custom amount here and zero out this section. Just add 0 and then enter. After that, you can download the tool for free. And when you do that, now you have the ability to open the Purif folder inside the project folder. Alright, so this is all what I wanted to mention here. And yeah, see you in the next video.